question. Draw the projection of the following points on the same xy line, keeping the convenient distance between each projectors. Name the quadrants in which they lie. Okay, they have given 4 points A, B, C, and D. A is 30 mm above HP and 35 mm in front of VP. B is 35 mm above HP and 40 mm behind VP. C is 40 mm above HP and on VP. D is 35 mm below HP and 30 mm in front of VP. So this is our question for today. Now let's solve this. Open your software, that is Solid Edge 2024. I am using the 2024 edition, but normally many of them use 2019 edition. After opening the software, go to New, click on New, then come to UNI metric draft, the last one, and click on OK. After clicking OK, you will get this sheet over here. So after you get this sheet, we have to make this as A4 sheet. Alright. So now go to sheet 1, click on the right button, sheet setup, select A4 sheet, remove show background, save defaults, and then click OK. Alright, so this is a clear A4 sheet where we are going to do the problem. Now go to view and make it fit so that it fits to the screen, to the laptop screen or the device screen. Alright, so this is the sheet setup part. After the sheet setup part, now let's go to the question. So this let's see the question. When we get a question in computer aided engineering drawing, what we do is at first we draw a XY line. Alright, draw a XY line like this. Now name these points as XY line. Go to text profile over here, write a text. This is we are naming it as XY line, so write as X, place it over here. Then again go to text profile, name it as Y, click OK, then place it over here. So this is our XY line which we have drawn at first. After drawing the XY line, go to the question. Now see the question. After drawing the XY line, what we do is see the points. Okay, so they have given 4 points. First one is A. A is 30 mm above HP and 35 mm in front of VP. Right? So now in projection of points, the upper part of XY line will be HP and the lower part will be VP in projection of points. Alright, so now let's mark this. You go to the text profile, VP. Alright, put OK. Yeah, place it over here. So now you know which one is HP and which one is VP. We're going to do the point A. Point A is 30 mm above HP and 35 mm in front of VP. Right? So now when we come here, above HP is nothing but this part. So the line is 30 mm above HP, and now the second line is 35 mm below VP. Below VP is nothing but this part. Alright, yeah. Now give the dimension. This is 35, mark it over here. So you got the points of first you got the lines of first point. Okay, so this is point A. Now let's mark this using the text profile. Now keep this as A, enter, OK. This will be A. Again go to text profile, mark this as A dash, click on OK, mark this. Okay, and we must go to the smart dimension button, click on the line and see how many what's its dimension. Okay, so this is 30 mm and we must also check according to the question also. So when we come to the question, you can see it is 30 mm above HP and we have done it right. It's 30 mm. Okay. Now again go to smart dimension, measure the points which is below VP. All right. Mark this. Here it is showing 35 mm, and according to the question also it should be to 35 mm in front of VP. All right. So this was our point A. Now going to the second point. Second point is nothing but point B. Point B is 35 mm above HP and 40 mm in front of VP. So now let's mark these points. 35 mm 35 mm above HP is nothing but the upper part of XY line, and 40 mm behind VP is also the part of the XY line. Okay, this is VP. Above VP is nothing but this upper part. Okay, so now marking the points, go to line option, mark a point on the XY line, extend it to the highest value, and the highest value given in the question is 40 mm. So come to the solid edge, give its dimension to be 40 mm, mark. You got this. Okay, then comes the lower line, line with less dimension. The line with less dimension is nothing but it is 35 mm. Okay, so now go to the solid edge, mark a point on the same line because they are lying on the same plane, give it to be 35 mm. Alright, mark it. So you got your 2 points. Okay, now what we should do, we must show the dimension. So go to smart dimension, select the whole line. See, we are getting 40 mm, so we have done it correct. Click enter. Again go to smart dimension, select this smaller line. After selecting this smaller line, extend it towards it and you'll get the dimension of it. It is 35 mm. So this is point B. So now go to text profile. Okay, and place it over here. Alright, placed over the upper side, and the dash value should be at the lower side. Okay, so now go to text profile. After clicking OK, mark this as B dash. Okay, the second point. After the second point, go to the question. After going to the question, go to the third point. The third point they have given is 40 mm above HP and on VP. So go to solid edge, select line and draw a line over here. It says in the question that it's on VP and above HP. Okay, so there's only one line which is in this part, the upper part of the XY line. Okay, which is 40 mm. Mark it as 40 and mark it. Okay, now go to smart dimension, select this line, put the dimension of it, click enter. Okay, so we have got 40 mm line. This point is nothing but C, right? So go to text profile. Let's name this. Go to text profile, put this as C. All right, now again go to text profile. Let's go to the question. Let's do the fourth part. Fourth part is nothing but D. D, which is 35 mm below HP and 30 mm in front of VP. This is HP. Below HP is nothing but this part. So mark over here. This is 35 mm. Mark. Okay, click and you'll get the line. Okay, again click on the line function. Go to the question. Second point is 30 mm in front of VP. 30 mm in front of VP. Okay, so if VP is here, in front of VP is also this part, right? So go to line function, draw another line on the same plane which is 30 mm. Alright, click enter, mark it. So you got two lines which is 30 mm and 35 mm. Okay, got one dimension. Now go to smart dimension, click on the lower line, but here we are getting it is about 29.98. Okay, click on it. You can change it over here. We must get it as 30. Okay, so the dimension is changed. We have to mark these points, right? So okay, so these are the points which we answer for the question which is given. Okay, hope you have liked this video.